no doubt in our mind. Like I was laughing the other day when the French explosion took place. Bombay police said that we should get alert. Most often than not, the fire brigade is saying that you're not complied with this, you're not complied with that. Let's accept it. In the 21st century, we are no longer going to be just treating patients. It's not curative therapy. What we are aiming at is preventive therapy. And the purpose of us getting together today is to convey to all the patients in this country, plus diabetics, we are rushing towards 100 million. Now, believe me, that itself is a record in itself. Nowhere in the world you have 100 million diabetic. The pharma companies love it. They love the Indian population. So despite whatever we do, Maggies and the pharmas will stay in this country because they want to exploit them. As we proceed, you will realize what all things diabetes can do. It's the biggest, sweetest enemy, worse than Al-Qaeda and ISIS.
Next, we decided that we must do something to inculcate a sense in the diabetic population that they need to go for an eye checkup. Many times their doctors are too busy to tell them. They only get their blood sugar control under 120 and they're happy. They don't tell them that you need to go for an annual checkup. So in my presidential speech last year, we had a single point agenda. How do we increase the knowledge of diabetics across the country? That diabetes can cause blindness. Next. So it was decided to involve the government, the NGOs, and whoever.
You are getting late. You were getting late, sir.
Hello. Good evening, everyone. First and foremost, I'm very happy to be here and associated with Dr. here. Dr. Himanshu has been taking good care of my eyes. And all thanks to him, I can see better, even though the lights are quite blinding and not good for my eyes right now. But yeah, today we're here to just spread awareness and to support this very, very apt cause. You know how diabetes can affect your eyes, and some of us are not even aware what is happening within our body, what it can do to us, and how it can affect our lifestyle, our livelihood, our families. I think first and foremost is all of us by nature, like I'm talking as a pure citizen just going by his work, like we only react when a knee jerk, jab aankhein kharab hoti hai, you know, when you say, oh, only when there's a problem we go to the doctor. I think we're not been taught how to inculcate things, to do regular checkups. Some problems might or might not be there. So I think first and foremost the awareness would be to please encourage people or your kids, your families, your parents, everyone to have regular checkups, you know, and not only go when it's too late, when you really have to. I think go by choice, don't go by force. And secondly, I think the main cause which we're talking today is diabetes. I think is also related to the stress we have today. You know, aaj hum sab kaam kar rahe hain, there's a lot of stress, we want to be our best, make millions of dollars and monies and whatever, and we keep pushing ourselves, and I think in that process we abuse our body first. And that's where the fitness aspect comes in, which I really endorse. And I think bahut zaruri hai, everyone has to incorporate one or any fitness activities. I think you're entitled to take out 15 minutes, half an hour to do anything that makes you happy, to relieve the stress. I think the key to happiness is within your own pockets and not anybody else's. So please remember that. And secondly, yeah, just I think incorporate a healthy lifestyle. The sweetest things can often kill you at times. So be wary. Take it easy when it comes to what you're consuming. Take out some time to help your body recover, help your body relax. I think that's the only place you have to live at. We keep endorsing, you know, we keep endorsing fitness, gyms, but aap kuch bhi kar sakte hain. I'm not here to tell you what you have to do. I'm just telling you it's important that you should do something. For instance, I even remember I was asking Doc, we were shooting the other day, and हमारे कितने लोग जो काम करते हैं set पे, you know, there's so many light boys and workers, and one of them actually fainted and fell off a particular height. And when we realized कि उसको क्या problem थी, उसको obviously we took him to the hospital first, and he wasn't aware कि उसको diabetes था, उसकी वजह से उसको चक्कर आ रहे थे, and he also has an eye problem. So and sadly because of his financial situations and positions, he couldn't afford to get a checkup or, you know, or probably spend that time. And I think that's where all their the All India Medical Association, their regular free checkups around India really helps. You know, अगर आप नहीं afford कर सकते, please go encourage people to go check their eyes. It will only save their lives because if they lose their eyesight, it affects their families, it affects their livelihoods. You know, they're the bread earners of the family. So I think, yeah, they're doing a great contribution to society by spreading this awareness. I'm very happy to be associated with them, and hopefully we'll have many more fit, healthy people around the country with perfect-looking eyes who can come and see our movies. All right? Thank you.
We can take 2 quick questions if somebody has any question to ask Siddharth before he leaves. Yes, please, go ahead.
Clinic में आ जाइए, मैं आपको
Siddharth, you will
बताऊंगा. How
take
to
my
prevent-
job, I'll lose my job.
Exactly. I think मैं यहाँ पे prescription देने नहीं आया हूँ. Please, that is doctor's job. How to prevent and the
I can't
technicality.
act, you know, I'll lose my job.
Exactly. You can't ask doctor to act. Similarly, you
I
can't ask
hope,
people.
I
to
hope
predict.
in the future, if your next movie is coming, hope there's something you will show about the diabetes also, how the people are suffering. You know?
Well, of course, I think शुरुआत ये है. We are starting to bring out awareness. I'm here to support this cause. अगर कुछ ऐसा पिक्चर में मिलता है कि हम लोगों को ऐसा communication दे पाए, how important it is to be healthy and lead a stress-free life. We're all very ambitious. We all want to work really hard, give our families the best of the world. But we can't do that by letting go, like, or just abusing our own bodies. So of course, I think if that message comes in through, आप कुछ लिखते हैं तो मैं act करूँगा इसमें.
Thank you, sir.
सन्स के जो को-स्टार हैं फवाद, उनको भी डायबिटीज है, तो उन्होंने कुछ शेयर किया आपसे सेट पे अभी तक?
मतलब
आपकी उनसे बात हुई फवाद से इस बारे में
बहुत बात
कुछ?
हुई. मैं उनके साथ शूटिंग कर रहा था, बातें ही कर रहे थे, और क्या कर रहे थे हम लोग.
जी, और कपूर एंड सन्स की दूसरी को-स्टार जो आपकी आलिया है, तो खबरें हैं आपके और आलिया के बीच में लड़ाई हुई है दिवाली बैश पे. हाउ ट्रू इज
ये
दैट?
आपको मैं बाद में बताऊंगा कि क्या लड़ाई हुई है हमारी, क्या हो रहा है.
I just saw Alia dropping him off
एक
right
सवाल
now.
तो पूछ लो उसके बारे में यार.
नहीं, ये मीठी
I
मीठी
just saw
लड़ाई
Alia
होगी.
dropping you off here.
सिद्धार्थ, ये मीठी मीठी
सिद्धार्थ-
लड़ाई होगी. मीठी मीठी लड़ाई होगी.
हाँ, मीठी मीठी स्वीट लड़ाई हुई है हमारी.
सिद्धार्थ, रोज की जिंदगी में आप खुद को कैसे फिट रखना पसंद करते हैं?
थैंक यू. एक एप्ट क्वेश्चन है. तो यार, एनी एक्टिविटी, आई थिंक जैसे कल मेरे को बहुत मजा आया. कल मैं फुटबॉल खेल रहा था. सब इन लोग की जो अभिषेक बच्चन की टीम है, उन्होंने मेरे को काफी देर से मैं जाने की कोशिश कर रहा था, टाइम नहीं मिला. एंड आई बीन डाइंग टू प्ले स्पोर्ट्स. बहुत शौक है. तो कल गया, हम लोग पूरे 1.5 घंटा 2 घंटा खेले. बहुत मजा आया. आई थिंक स्पोर्ट्स में आपको सारे इमोशंस लाइफ के दिख जाते हैं. आप कभी एक्साइटेड होते हैं, कभी डर लगता है, कभी गुस्सा आता है, कभी आप चार्ज होते हैं. तो आई थिंक वो बहुत अच्छा तरीका है अगर आप कोई भी स्पोर्ट्स खेल पाए. आई नो डॉग प्ले स्क्वॉश, वो मुझे भी इनवाइट कर रहे थे. But I know I'll beat him, so I don't want to play with him anymore. Yeah, I think incorporate sports, gym and fitness. अगर आप चाहे तो कुछ भी हो सकता है. आप अगर एक बॉल लेके घर में भी खेलते रहे आधा घंटा, वो भी हेल्प करता है. It burns calories, you know, it makes you lighter. आप बाहर निकलते हैं, एक्टिविटी, ऐसे बैठे ना रहे बस पूरे दिन. कुछ ना कुछ तो करे एक दिन. 1 घंटा निकाले, आधा घंटा निकाले. आई थिंक कुछ स्पेसिफिक नहीं, but बहुत जरूरी है. As I keep saying, this body is all you have. This is the only place you have to live in. Please take good care of it.
कोई डाइट
Here a correlation. I can tell you, I've seen him working for his boxer movie. The dedication which this man has shown, unbelievable. The amount of muscle weight he put on, the effort which he put on, no question. I second his opinion. There's a very interesting point to that. Everything that you could never afford in this lifetime, that includes the air, water, mitti, eyes, nose, kidney, God gave you free. That's why we never ever valued it. We valued the scratch on the car more than the value of our own self.
Correct. We should stop taking our body for granted and the way it works for granted. It's an amazing machine. All we have to do is keep maintaining it, and it will never give up or I think give up or spoil as your next car, or even a scratch looks beautiful. I think it's not about being perfect; it's about progressing. So fitness पे काम करते रहते हैं, और eventually you'll be a very fit and healthy man.
Dr. Himanshu, my question to you is here, on your right side, here. Just now you said we want to prevent and we don't want to cure. There is no cure for it, or what?
I'm sorry, say again, please.
You said we want to prevent, not cure, diabetes. Will there be cure for the diabetes?
Is there any?
Will be any cure in near future?
Right. Cure for diabetes like blood pressure is not there. Controlling it is the only thing that we have. But a strong, strict control, we have a lot of regimes and a lot of work has been done with clear guidelines. You cannot cure it, you can control it.
And what is the relation between tension and diabetes or any disease? Normally justified by tension only. Don't take
There
tension
is
too
no
much.
rocket science, sir, in this. Absolutely, stress increases your blood sugar. Stress was given to you for run, that is flee, save, swim or sink. And that's why whenever there is this voice, suddenly your pupils will dilate, your adrenaline will start flushing, your pulse rate will go up. So stress increases the sugar. Sugar is there to protect you, give you the energy to run away from enemies.
Thank you.
There is no treatment for diabetes, there is control, that is correct. But there is a treatment for diabetes affecting the eye. So if we have a regular checkup, once a year for every diabetic, if there is a checkup, and more than that frequently if there are changes in the retina, then you can keep that eye going and seeing well right up to the age of 100 and beyond. That is 100%. So that's why the annual checkups of the eye is most important.
Yeah, we cut those questions because
yeah, we'll go on,
we
yeah.
have a big conference
Of course,
further down. Thanks, Siddharth, for your time.
Thank you
Really
so much.
appreciate you taking your time out of your Let me start with Karishma's personal experience, and she's been very gracious enough to grace this occasion. She's come from Hyderabad, I must tell you, and tell you a very important incident she has come from. Her daughter, who's 10-year-old, has got a prize as the movie was selected as the directorial debut. Am I right? And she's left that and she's come here. We really appreciate you being here with us.
Good afternoon, everyone. I think both the esteemed doctors have told us so much about this very important cause. And I'd like to say that the reason why I've taken this so personally and I'm here today is because I have family members who have diabetes. And I think Dr. Himanshu has, kept reiterating to us and telling us how it affects the eyes. So that's the reason why I'm here. Just like me, I'm a family member who has, people who have diabetes. All of you all sitting here and everyone out there in the audience who's listening to me, I urge you all to please get your eyes tested and please take care of the diabetes. I also have a very interesting story to tell you all. Many years ago in our family, we had a cook, very loved cook, who used to cook very delicious food for us, and we loved him so much. And then he started losing a lot of weight, and his eyes were bothering him. And we, उस ज़माने में और अब भी, we don't take it seriously. We say, शायद number आ गया अब, या शायद मैं doctor जाता हूँ अभी. We are busy in our lives. And when he went to the doctor, he realized that he had high diabetes that had affected his eyes, and he lost one of his eyes. So I think we need to prevent this. For our loved ones and everyone that we know, we have to spread the message out there that do come and always get an annual checkup. And it's such a great initiative that we're getting free checkups for everyone out there. So it's not about the money, it's for free. Please come and save your eyes and save lives. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. I invite Ms. Sajeda Maskati to come up and give a small So this is the website which is there. It gives you the symptoms of diabetes. It gives you the links, messages from the president, and most importantly about the various next page. These are all the contact persons, the hospital, the camp dates, email IDs, and all the details are on dr.aios.in. Thank you so much. May I now invite